Students, have you ever got home to find you've completely forgotten the explanation your English teacher gave? Parents, have you ever been questioned about grammar terms you've, frankly, never even heard of?
Hi, I'm Miss Welsby and welcome to
GrammarMia!
GrammarMia is a YouTube channel that provides the English answers you need.
Is that active or passive?
whenever you want. Using my experience as an English teacher. And as a mum, my aim is to make the confusing just a little clearer.
So subscribe for free English top tips, tutorials and even music videos to help you learn. And if you click the bell for notifications, you'll be the first to know about the latest videos as they're released.